how to adjust the screen size in OBS Studio. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen size in OBS Studio. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any tips. Let's jump in. Alright, so first open up OBS and head down to the bottom right and click on Settings. On the left menu, click on the Video tab. Now here's where you can change your base canvas resolution. This is basically what you see inside OBS. I usually set this to 1920 x 1080 for 1080p. Below that is your output scaled resolution, which is what your actual recording or stream will be saved as. You can keep them the same or lower the output if you want to save on file size or system performance. Once you're happy with those settings, hit apply, then OK to save. Now, let's say you want to manually adjust the size of something in your scene like a game window, webcam, or image. Just click on the source in the list. You'll see red bounding lines appear around it. To resize, just click and drag the corners or sides. You can freely shrink or enlarge it as needed. If you want to crop instead of resizing, hold down the Alt key, then click and drag the edges. This will trim the source instead of scaling it. You can always reposition it by clicking and dragging the source anywhere inside the canvas. And that's it. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more OBS tips. Catch you in the next one.